Hi friends, it's Mrs. Landman. I'm just here with an activity that goes along with the math lesson that Mrs. Hunter posted today. This activity is used to help you understand that two-digit numbers are made up of ones and tens. So in order to get started for this activity, I created my own sheet that you see in front of me, and I'm actually going to bring my phone down here, my camera down here, so that you can see the sheet I made. I just made a little chart on paper that says number, build, tens, and ones, and I actually slid it inside the back of my Foundations writing paper because I didn't have any more plastic sleeves, so I can use this with my dry erase marker today. So you can easily make one of these yourselves at home. So we're going to get started today by looking at a two-digit number. So I am going to write the number 13 right here. Then the next column of my chart says build. So I am going to use any manipulative that I have to build the number 13. So I know that you all have a wonderful math kit that Mrs. Hunter sent home with you. So you can use your connecting cubes, for example. I am actually going to use Cheerios, which I know sounds a little funny, but I don't have any connecting cubes at home with me, and Cheerios are something that I actually have a lot of. So I am going to build my number 13 in this box, and you can count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And my job right now is to circle the group of 10 Cheerios that I see in 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have a group of 10 right here. So I'm going to put either a circle or a box around my group of 10. Then I am going to look at what's left over. So I have my group of 10, it looks just like a 10 frame. So 10, we don't have to count it. 11, 12, 13. So if I slide my chart over, my next job is to fill in how many groups of 10s I have. So I put a box around one group of 10. So in my number 13, I have 1 10, or one group of 10. My next job, I'm going to try and scoot my paper over a little more so you can see it, is to fill in how many ones I have. So if I take a look at my model with my Cheerios, I have my one group of 10, and then I have 1, 2, 3 left over, or 3 ones. So in my ones column, I am going to write 3. Just like Mrs. Hunter showed you in her video, the number 13 has 2 digits. The 3 digit is in the ones place, so that's why the number 13 has 3 ones, which I wrote over here. And the number 13 has a 1 digit in the tens place, and this 1 represents my group of 10, my 110. So what you can do is you can write any number in here, have a parent write a number for you between 10 and 20. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, or 20, and then you can build the number, put a box around your group of 10, and then tell us how many groups of 10 you have, so how many 10s you have, and how many ones you have. If you are ready to make this activity a little bit harder, I am going to show you how to do that quickly. So I'm just going to quickly erase. I should have an eraser, but I forgot, so just quickly use my finger. Okay, and we are going to practice another number, another 2-digit number. We're going to work with the number 16. So I have a digit in my tens place and a digit in my ones place. Now I am going to build my number 16 with my tens and ones. Now I don't have the nice tens and ones that you friends have in your math kit, so I just made mine out of some paper. But if I look at my number 16, I notice that there is 1 10 in 16. So I am going to put my group of 10 right here. Then if I look at my next digit, my digit in my ones place, I am going to see a 6, and this 6 tells me that there are 6 ones. So I can build a group of 6 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if I slide my chart over, it's really easy to see that I have 1 10, one group of 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. Which you can see if I slide my paper over a little bit. So again, if you want to make this activity a little bit simpler, you can build it with your manipulatives. I used Cheerios and circle your group of 10. And then to make it a little bit harder, you can build your number with your tens and your ones. Okay, friends, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a chance to practice this activity.